So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got a lot of chats. And then sometimes what you may want to do is hide those chats, but you don't want to delete them completely because you want to go ahead and access them in the future. In that case, you can go ahead onto a particular chat right here, click on the three dot button to access the more option, and then choose archive. So you can also go ahead and do that right here. You can go ahead onto more right here, onto other chat and archive. Once you do that, from the left hand side view right here, you can see that they are totally hidden right here, but they are not deleted. You can go ahead and do that. So now, in order to access out the archive chats that you have, you can actually go ahead and click on the profile right here. And then here, you can see a section, archive chats. Click on it, and then you can see the archive chats right here, just like this. You can go ahead and search for a particular chat over here as well that you have archived. And in order to access them out right here, you can unarchive it or click on this right here, and it opens up that particular archive chat, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and then archive chats. You can also delete out the chat that you don't want from over here as well, or click on unarchive to unarchive out the chat, and they will be available over here onto the main chat section once more. So that is how you can work around with the archive chat option inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.